Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the saturation of an image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Lightroom, and after we opened it, from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. So let's say it's this one. Then after it loads, you have to wait a little bit. From the bottom bar, we select color. Tap on color. Here we have to scroll down and find saturation. Now, if we move the slider under saturation to the left, then the image is going to become less saturated, a bit grayish. But if we move it to the right, then the picture is going to become more saturated, more full of color, and sometimes even oversaturated, where it's not a pleasant sight. But basically, saturation means how rich a color is in the image. So the existing colors are richer if we move it to the right, and less rich if we move it to the left. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.